اشعار رومی: کار پاکان را قیاس از خود مگیر، گرچه مانند در نوشت و شعر و شیر. Do not measure the action of holy men by the analogy of yourself, though share, line, and sheer milk are similar in writing. جمله عالم زین سبد گمراه شد، کم کسی زبدال حق آگاه شد. On this account, the whole world is gone astray. Scarcely anyone is cognizant of God's Zabdal substitute. همسری با انبیا برداشتند، اولیا را همچو خود پنداشتند. They set up a claim of equality with the prophets and the pure imams. They suppose that saints to be like themselves. گفته اینک ما بشر هیشان بشر، ما و ایشان بستری خواب و مخر. They said, we are men, they are men. Both we and they are in bondage to sleep and food. این ندانستند ایشان از عمل، ایست فرقی درمیان بی منتها. In their blindness they did not perceive that there is an infinite differences between them. هر دوگون زنبور خوردند از محل، لیک شد زان این نشی و زین دیگر اصل. Both species of zambur ate and drink from the same place, but from that one the hornet come a sting, and from this one all that the bee. هر دونی خوردند از یک آب خور، این یکی خالی و آن پر از شکر. Both reeds drink from the same water source, but this one is empty and that one full of sugar. In this poem, Jalaluddin Rumi expresses that we should not compare the action of the prophets and the pure imams to our own, even though they look like human, but they possess divine light, divine knowledge and wisdom within themselves.